Yeah, guys, some bad caramel dumpling, banana, white yam. Don't know the badness with saltfish and cabbage and carrot, guys. Watch your badness in our kitchen. Yeah, guys, as you can see over here, some cabbage. I go finish cut up my cabbage. Don't know the badness go. Soon come back, guys. Yeah, guys, some finish cut up my cabbage. Don't know the badness. So I'm gonna do now. Cut up some ground season. Overs, yeah. Yeah, guys, so I go on over here, so. Guys, watch your badness. Watch your badness, guys. Yeah, guys, watch your badness. Cabbage, carrot, and my saltfish, guys. Be a badness. Guys, with my caramel dumpling, white yam, and banana. Guys, I be a badness. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, this is the finishing look. White yam and banana with caramel dumpling, cabbage, and carrot. Yeah, saltfish, guys. I don't know the badness. I'm out, guys. Yeah, guys, morning. Take a look at my season rice, guys. Season rice, no, yeah. Don't know the badness come down. Be a badness in Nicholas kitchen, guys. Stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. Yeah, some bad season rice. Guys, watch your badness. Soon come back. Yeah, guys. Look what going on in the pot over here, son. My living God, hallelujah. Yeah, guys, some bad season rice in the breakfast this morning, guys. Don't know the badness. Guys, and you know me have piece of saltfish. And me say me that go drop piece of saltfish in it, but me say no, I make it steak. You understand me all these videos? Yeah. Be a badness, guys. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look when it in the plate, guys. Yeah, guys, so this is the finishing look on the seasoned rice, guys. You don't know the badness. The little white you see, and the mayonnaise when we mix in it. You understand me all these, as you can see, guys. Yeah. Guys, you don't know the badness. When you come in Nicholas kitchen and be a badness, guys. Guys, see you in our next video, guys. I'm out. Guys, watch your badness. Curry oxtail, guys. And black eye rice and peas.